students, your today's topic is chemical property of phenols. Chemical properties of phenol. In phenol, OH group is functional group, just like alcohols. OH group is present in phenol, but it is directly attached with benzene ring, that is aromatic. That's why, in some respects, phenol behaves like alcohols, and in some respect, it behaves that from a different that from alcohols. That's why its chemical reactions can be divided into two main categories. One is reactions involving OH group, and other is reactions involving benzene ring or aromatic ring. And the first category reaction involving OH group, can further be divided into two parts. First, reactions similar to those given by alcohols. Reactions similar to those given by alcohols, and reactions different from those given by alcohols. These are the reactions of phenol which is similar to that of reactions of alcohols. First one is reaction with sodium metal. Just like alcohols, phenol react with sodium metal, forms sodium phenoxide and liberate hydrogen gas. This is given here. This is phenol C6H5OH plus sodium gives sodium phenoxide and hydrogen gas is liberated. In case of alcohols, alcohol react with active metal like sodium, potassium, magnesium, aluminum, forms sodium alkoxide and emits hydrogen gas. In this case, phenol also react with active metal like sodium, potassium and forms sodium phenoxide, potassium phenoxide and emits hydrogen gas. This reaction is similar to those of alcohols. Next reaction is acylation. Acylation means just like alcohols, a reaction of alcohol or phenol with acetyl chloride means acid chloride and acid anhydride is known as acylation reaction. When phenol is treated with acid chloride like acetic chloride CH3COCl and phenol in presence of pyridine gives phenyl acetate, which is a type of ester. It is a type of ester and HCl. When phenol react with acetic anhydride, it gives same product, phenyl acetate and acetic acid. In place of HCl, in this case, we get acetic acid. This reaction is also similar to that of alcohols. Third reaction, which is very important reaction, benzoylation of phenol, means when phenol react with benzoyl chloride in presence of alkali, that is called benzoylation of phenol, and this is also known as Sartan-Baumann reaction. Which reaction is this? Sartan-Baumann reaction. What is Sartan-Baumann reaction? Benzylation of phenol in presence of alkali is called Sartan-Baumann reaction. In this reaction, phenyl benzoate is formed. And loss of HCl takes place. Phenyl benzoate plus HCl. This is phenyl benzoate. What is Sartan-Baumann reaction? Benzylation of phenol in presence of alkali. This reaction of phenol with benzoyl chloride in presence of alkali like caustic soda or NaOH is called benzylation of phenol, and this reaction is known as certain common reaction. It is very important. Next reaction is alkylation of phenol. Phenol, it is stronger acidic than alcohols. Phenol is more stronger acidic than alcohol. It is more acidic than methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol is stronger acid than water. Water is stronger acid than alcohols. But phenols are more acidic than methyl alcohol. That's why phenol reacts with aqueous alkali. When phenol reacts with aqueous alkali, means aqueous sodium hydroxide, then it forms sodium phenoxide. When this sodium phenoxide again treated with alkyl halide, then we get ether. This is called alkylation. This is different from aromatic substitution or electrophilic substitution. It is not electrophilic substitution reaction. It is different from electrophilic substitution because in this reaction, alkyl group does not introduce into benzene ring. Side chain substitution takes place. That's why it is different from electrophilic substitution reaction. In this reaction, alkyl phenyl ether is obtained. If we take R equal to CH3, then anisole is obtained. C6H5OCH3 anisole. If we take R equal to C2H5, phenol is obtained. ठीक है? और when X is equal to Cl, then it is liberated as a byproduct. When it is taken as I, then I is byproduct. Means Cl equal to ClBr I and I equal to alkyl group, methyl group, ethyl group, etc. Next reaction with ammonia. It is also very important reaction, and it is already described in the halogens and halogens. Phenol, when treated with ammonia, in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride at 573 Kelvin, when phenol, just like chlorobenzene, removal of phenol is not very easy. OH is not very easy. Due to resonance, carbon oxygen bond requires double bond character. That's why in special condition, it can be removed by other nucleotides. That's why phenol, when heated with ammonia in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride, alidine is obtained with the loss of water molecule. In this reaction, carbon oxygen bond of phenol is created. ठीक है? Breaking of carbon oxygen bond in all the reactions, OH bond breaking takes place. But in this case, carbon oxygen bond breaking takes place. Next reaction, which is also very important reaction with phosphorus pentachloride. Just like alcohol, phenol also react with phosphorus halides and gives halobenzene as a minor product, because in this reaction halobenzene, like chlorobenzene, its yield is very poor. Its yield is very poor. That's why it is called minor product. But its major product is triphenyl phosphate. That's why it is very important reaction. Okay, triphenyl phosphate. Exactly, it is written as C6H5O thrice P double bond O, or very simply it can be written as C6H5 thrice PO4. Triphenyl phosphate. Phosphate, phenyl, triphenyl phosphate, and its structure is C6H5O thrice E double bond triazine phosphate. This is major product, but chlorobenzene is minor product. In this reaction, chlorobenzene should be major product, but due to very poor yield, it is called minor product. These are the reactions of phenol which is similar to those of alcohols. Now, some reactions of phenol which is different from alcohol. These are acidic character of phenol. Phenol is stronger acid than alcohol, and its strength also depends on the nature of substituent, position of substituent, and also the strength of substituent. In this case, first property of phenol is acidic character of phenol. Acidic character of phenol, acidic strength of phenol is directly proportional to stability of phenoxide ion. Any factor which stabilizes the phenoxide ion makes phenol more and more acidic, and vice versa. Means acidic strength of phenol or acidic character of phenol is directly proportional to the stability of phenoxide ion. Now, we can write the resonating structures of phenol and phenoxide ion like this. This is phenol. This is phenol. Phenol ionized to be phenoxide ion and a hydrogen ion. H plus ion. This is phenol and this is phenoxide. Phenoxide ion. Any substance which can lose hydrogen as a proton is called acid. Phenol also lose hydrogen as a proton. That's why it is acid. But its acidic state depends on the stability of phenoxide. Now compare the stability of phenol and phenoxide. How will you compare stability of phenol and phenoxide? It can be compared by drawing this resonating structures. So first of all, draw the resonating structure of phenol. Now the resonating structure of phenol may be written as negative charge, after that delocalization of electron takes place through the benzene ring. And its resonance hybrid with equivalent structure One more structure can be written. These are resonating structure of phenol and its resonance having is resonance. This is resonance having resonance hybrid of phenol, and these are the contributing structures or resonating structure of phenol or canonical forms of phenol. Canonical forms or resonating structures. Resonating structures. Canonical forms or resonating structures or contributing structures of phenol. Now, draw the contributing structures of phenol side ion. Contributing structure of phenol side ion can be written as just like phenol, different resonating structures of phenol side ion is also possible, and these are as follows. These are the resonating structures of phenol side ion, and its resonance hybrid equivalent structure can be written as partial negative, partial negative, partial negative, partial negative, and in phenol partial positive, partial negative, partial negative, partial negative. Okay. Now compare the resonating structures of phenol and phenoxide ion and find which one is more stable. If two species are compared, then if one species involves resonance, another does not, then the species which involves resonance becomes more stable. In this case, both the species phenol and phenoxide ion exhibit resonance. This is not a factor to compare the stability of relative stability of phenol and phenoxide. Now, the number of resonating structures, more the number of resonating structure, more will be the stability. Then how many resonating structure of phenol? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And for phenoxide ion 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is also same. Means the existence of phenomena of resonance and the number of resonating structures cannot help to compare the stability of phenol and phenoxide ion. Now the third factor is charge separation. With the help of charge separation, we can compare the stability of phenol and phenoxide ion. In case of phenol, two different types of charts are present in its resonating structure and in its resonance hybrid. Positive charge, partial positive charge present on more electronegative oxygen atom, and negative charge present on less electronegative carbon atom. Okay, this is unfavorable structure which is highly energetic. That's why phenol is less stable in comparison to phenolphthalein ion, in which there is no charge separation. Same ion, negative ion present on more electronegative oxygen atom, and negative charge also present in phenolphthalein of carbon and phenol of carbon. This is same condition, but more electronegative oxygen in case of phenol bears positive charge which is unfavorable, and in phenolphthalein negative charge bears on oxygen bears negative charge which is favorable. That's why because of the charge separation of phenol, it is unstable. That's why it has tendency to lose hydrogen as a proton and so acidic character. This is the acidic character of phenol. These structures also help in explaining the electrophilic substitution reactions of phenol. Okay, from the resonating structure of phenol and phenolphthalein, it is clear that negative charge in benzene ring, in case of phenol or phenolphthalein, negative charge in the benzene ring develops mainly at ortho and para positions with respect to H group. That's why any of the electrophile attacks only at ortho and para positions. This is the exact explanation of electrophilic substitution reactions of phenol. Okay, in case of phenol, electrophilic substitution means electrophile attacks mainly at ortho and para position with respect to OH group, because in its resonating structure as well as in its resonance hybrid, OH group increases electron density mainly at ortho and para position, hence electrophile attacks only at these positions. That's why all the electrophilic substitution reaction like halogenation, nitration, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts methylation takes place only at ortho and para positions. Okay, now the factors affecting acidic strength of phenol means effect of substituents on the acidic nature of phenol. Effect of substituents on the acidic nature of phenol. First, electron repelling group means plus I group or electron donating group. Electron donating group decreases. Electron donating group decreases acidic strength of phenol. All the electron donating group, electron pushing groups decreases the acidic strength of phenol. Next point, electron withdrawing group. electron withdrawing group increases the acidic strength of phenol or acidic nature of phenol. Acidic nature of phenol. Why electron donating group decreases the acidic strength of phenol or acidic nature of phenol, and electron withdrawing group increases the acidic nature of phenol. Since acidic strength or acidic nature depends on tendency to release hydrogen in the proton, this is the structure of phenol. This is phenol. If any substituent, suppose Z is a substituent which is electron with donating group, electron donating group. It is electron donating in nature, means it donates electron to the benzene. As electron density increases in benzene ring, electron density on oxygen also increases. As electron density on oxygen increases, polar character of OH bond decreases. That's why release of hydrogen as a proton becomes difficult and difficult. That's why acidic character of phenol decreases by the effect of electron donating substituents. Means electron donating substituent always decreases the acidic nature of phenol. For example, phenol and cresol. This is cresol. This is cresol. Okay. Which one is more acidic? Phenol or cresol? You see, this group decreases the acidic strength of phenol. It means phenol is more acidic than cresol. Phenol is more acidic than cresol. Okay. Now, electron withdrawing group increases the acidic strength of phenol. Suppose Z is electron withdrawing group. If Z becomes electron withdrawing group, electron withdrawing means it withdraw electron from the benzene ring. Then what will happen? Electron density on oxygen also decreases. As the electron density on the oxygen decreases, polar character of OH bond increases. Means as soon as electron density on oxygen atom decreases, its electronegativity value increases. That's why polar character between O and S increases. Hence, hydrogen released as a proton becomes more and more acid. That's why all the electron withdrawing group increases the acidic strength of phenol. For example, between phenol and nitrophenol, this is nitrophenol, orthonitrophenol or para-nitrophenol. Nitrophenol, which one is more acidic? Phenol or nitrophenol? Nitrophenol is more acidic than phenol. Okay, this is the effect of substituents on the acidic nature of phenol. Now, effect of substituents also depends on strength and its position. Strength of substituent and its position with respect to OH group also affect the acidic character of phenol. Okay, any substituent present at ortho and para position exert more stronger effect. For example, if the same group CH3, These are cresols. What are these? These are cresols. This is orthocresol, metacresol, and paracresol. Okay. Similar group present at different positions. Since methyl group is electron donating group, it is electron donating group. It decreases the acidic strength. It decreases the acidic strength, and its effect is maximum at ortho and para positions. At ortho and para positions. That's why metacresol becomes least acidic. Paracresol becomes least acidic because it decreases the acidic strength. Then orthocresol, then means metacresol is the most acidic among these cresols. Metacresol because its effect is least at meta position and highest at ortho and para position. That's why paracresol is the least acidic, then orthocresol, and then metacresol. Means what is the correct order? Increasing order of the paracresol, then orthocresol, then metacresol. This is increasing acidic strength of cresols. Okay. Similarly, decreasing character of phenols, or you can say effect of electron withdrawing group at different positions can also be explained. For example, in case of nitrophenols, this is orthonitrophenol, metanitrophenol, and paranitrophenol. Then what is correct order? Orthostatic strength, Ionoto group means electron withdrawing group increases acidic strength. So para nitrophenol is more acidic than orthonitrophenol, which is more acidic than metanitrophenol. Okay, because effect is more pronounced at para position than ortho position than meta position in this case. Next reaction is very simple reaction, but it is also very important reaction. Reaction of phenol with zinc dust. When phenol is heated with zinc dust, it gives benzene plus ZnO. Means conversion of phenol into benzene is very easy. When phenol is heated with zinc dust, it directly gives benzene. Okay? And last reaction, which is different from alcohol, it's a chemical test. Means by this test we can distinguish between alcohol and phenol. Reaction with neutral ferric chloride. When phenol treated with neutral ferric chloride, it gives violet color. Phenol plus neutral FeCl3 gives violet color. alcohols does not. By this test, we can distinguish between alcohol and phenol. And this is very important test for phenolic group. Presence of phenolic group can be tested with the help of this test. That's all about chemical properties of phenol, except involving benzene ring. In the next lecture, you will study the chemical properties of phenol in which benzene ring is involved.